everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe, and I have this beautiful Master Pro Series 6840 with the restricted edge core. Now this was formerly the American Lock edge core, and it is now obviously owned by Master Lock. The key weight isn't as bad as it looks. You can get in there pretty easily. The bitting on the key is pretty good. You can see the key control dimples are just for a ball bearing that if the dimples are not in place, the key cannot turn. Unlike every other Master Lock core I've ever picked, you can actually use a 50 thousandths turner in this one, which is so nice. I haven't gutted this. I have picked it once. I just couldn't help myself. I haven't been filming for quite a while. There we go. I was just hung up a little bit on an overset. And just like that, we are open. I need to find some Allen keys. I don't think I have the right size out. Of course, it's not magic. It's not that. Need some Benny Hill music to cheer me on here. Gimme. Oh boy. Oh, that's fun. All right, fool with that later. There's our actuator, nice and simple. Neat. Since I have a key, I will go ahead and lock it back up. Let's grab this little guy. Now, when it was turned, I could see a ball bearing. Yeah, you can see right there's a ball bearing. And another one at the front here. Yeah, pretty cool. Let me grab a shim. These shims of mine are not the best. They don't have that smooth of an edge. Well, I might be shimming this. I can't get it past that first pin. Nope. All right, so what I'm gonna do is put the shim across the gap for the C-clip, if I can get it to stay there. And it appears I cannot. Oh, there we go. There we go. And that's really the important part here. Okay, and first ball bearing and second ball bearing and third and fourth. There's so many ball bearings. So I'm guessing it's 2 per slot. So do these really not have serrations? So mind you, this was originally an American Lock product. And sadly, they decided against security pins in the bottom. In true Master Lock fashion, we have a standard Master Lock spool in 1 and in 2 and in 3 and in 4 a Master Lock serrated, which we know how good those are, and a spool in number 6. And just to show you, for those of you who haven't seen one before, they just have 2 itty bitty little notches that divide it into thirds. Of course, the spools are just spools. Now, if they had used American pins, this probably would have presented at least somewhat of an increased challenge. So I got this from LockedOut Freediver 72, and I am thrilled to have this. It's such a pretty lock, and I need to get it put back together, but let's see, does this go this way or that way? Anyway, I'm gonna get this figured out and let you all get back to your businesses, whatever that might be. Anyway, LockedOut Freediver 72, thank you again. Everyone else, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, please subscribe to see more, and have a great day. Thank you.